Hello, this is Sklopfile321 and this is tutorial 022 or 22. Now today I'm going to introduce you to something that's kind of interesting. It's called the session. So let's see here. Okay, I'm not in Dvorak mode. Okay. So first of all, before you can even use, okay, let me refresh you. When I do this underscore thing, I get a list on my editor of cookie, environment, files for uploading, get, post, certain things that can be accessed by also request, server, and session. So if I go to session here, well then it's pretty much an array that you can store things in. So if I said taco and then I did this and let's set it to eggs for no reason, and copy this, paste here, save, and preview. I have eggs. Well, what if I want to set it to 1? Well, I can go ahead and save it, or rather I can do plus equals 1. Now if I do that, I get 1. If I refresh again, of course it's not going to variable. But what if I did session start, and then I did that and save, and I refreshed? Okay, now I'm refreshing. Okay, you see this? It just went up by 1. Oh no, it went up by 3. Look, it's at a 4. See, it's maintaining this variable in between the pages. So how can you apply this? Well, you could probably say, I'll make a new file here, and I'll skip ahead I'll cut it out for you to be quick. Okay, so now I have this other file here, and I named it otherpage.php. So what if I want to here have a link to this other page, and I'm going to say go to other page, woohoo, and do that, and save it there. And I'm going to do something here. I'm going to do the session start. By the way, this has to be initiated before and done before anything else that you send to the user. It works in the header level, which is before the actual page data, so you can't go and put a space here and think this will still work. This function has to happen before anything else the user will receive. So like you can do request with databases and stuff like that before this, but you have to do this at the top level of things. So what am I doing here? I'm going to say that this taco variable here, I'm going to say that I want to echo it. Taco times 2 is, and then I'm going to do dot, and then since it's a math function, not a string, I have to do times 2 inside parentheses, and then do that and save. Refresh. Of course, it goes to 5, and I could do go to other page. Well, taco times 2 is 12. If I do this again, see, it's not changing it, but it's still keeping the variable in between the pages. So I'm going to go here and echo space, and I'm going to put another thing here. I'm going to put a space here too, and boy, I am not typing today very well. I'm going to go back to Tut or tutorial 022.php and multiply taco by 2 and end it there and save. Refresh. Not by 2. Add to taco 1. Save and refresh. So add to taco 1. Woohoo, 9. I go refresh and it keeps going up. Go to the page. As you can see that. Now if I do this and I go back, it's gonna be 30. So what if I want to keep a name? Okay, so what if I do a form here and do the method and then do post and do action to question mark, and I'll end form, and I'm gonna put an input that's a text one, and I'm gonna name it name, and I'm going to go here and make a submit button. And I'm gonna call this one and say send my name, and go ahead with that.